Welcome to Kimidogo Kitchen. Today we're gonna learn how to make Zalabia. Zalabia is like donuts here, but we make it drink with tea. It really tastes good. It's really something like breakfast, but it's not breakfast, especially if you drink it in the morning, you can feel full like you ate breakfast. So it's not a lot of recipe. Just I got sugar, I got yeast, salt, and water, and all-purpose flour.
Yeah.
So right now we're gonna start to put all the ingredients together. The first thing we're gonna put water, and then yeast, a little bit of sugar, and salt. Salt as much you like to put it. And then you're gonna leave it to rest like 5 minutes, and then we're gonna add the flour. 5 minutes is gonna look like this, and then you're gonna add the flour as much you want. I'm gonna add 3 cups first. And I'm gonna mix it. If I need to add some more, I will. I wash my hand. You have to wash your hand really before you mix it. So I need more 1 cup. You can make it as much you want. If you got a lot of family, you can make it more, 6 cups, 3, 2, 1, whatever you want. So mix it. Don't do it dry. Just make it a little bit loose. So when you fry it, it's gonna look like it's soft, but when you make it dry, it's not good. Some people they mix it very dry, but I don't like it dry because when you mix it dry, it's not soft. When you mix it like this, you know, it comes really soft and nice. You can see it how is it loose. You don't have to do it very hard. Mix it very well because you don't need the lumps. Exactly, you need it like this. So we're gonna leave it for 15 minutes or 30 minutes. And then just put a little bit oil on the top because you don't want it to dry out, and then cover it for 30 minutes or 15 minutes. Sometimes the yeast is fast. Yes, after 30 minutes, it's gonna look like this. It's ready to fry it. So when you saw it, you know, it bubble, it look like this. So you're gonna start to fry it. It's ready for frying. So we're gonna start to fry our Zalabia. So just you have to take it like this. If you want it big, you can fry it big. If you want it small or new, whatever way you want to do it. Sometimes I take it like this and open a little bit hole. So just put your eyes on it until you see it is come gold brown, and then you turn it. It's really very easy to make it. It doesn't take a long time to make Zalabia. In Sudan, we used to make it. You have to wake up early, around 5, 4 in the morning. You make it before all the family wake up. Especially on the weekend, everybody home. So you can make it to your family too. After I fried the Zalabia, see, it's done. It's so soft. See how it look like? And then it's gold and brown. It's really good. So I don't know, in Nigeria they call it puff puff, but in Sudan we call it Zalabia. Sometimes we drink it with tea. So the tea, I put the tea, black tea in here and sugar, and then we put a little bit of cinnamon here with the hot water. When you're done, you can bite it, take one bite and drink it with tea. Sometimes I put the sugar, I put it in the top like this. Because some people they like sugar, because we don't like a lot of sugar. I don't put it a lot. If somebody like it a lot, you can take your plate, put it aside, put a lot of sugar. So this is the result today I did. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for everyone support our channel. I ask for support, I ask for more subscribe and like. Please help me to make my channel to grow. Thank you so much for watching, and then I see you next video.